This is JBL Go 3. So you will get fabric material on the whole body of the speaker, so which looks very premium and it feels premium. So in the box you will get one speaker, user manual, warranty card and one Type-C cable for charging, and that's it guys. So on the front side you will get this very big JBL branding over here, and it stands out from the other color, so it looks very premium and it looks good. On the left side you will get a loop, so with this loop you can hang the speaker anywhere, a Type-C port for charging, and on the right side you will get power button, Bluetooth mode and a LED indicator for charging, and a Go 3 written here. On the upper side you will get volume up button, pause button and volume down button. On the down side you will get this very good rubber grip, so your speaker won't slide or it won't move when the song is playing. And on the bottom side you will get very big grip, and overall yeah, you can hold it like this, so it looks very good and it feels very cute, like it is cute speaker. So this is very portable speaker and you can carry it anywhere, literally anywhere in the world. So the weight of this speaker is just 209 grams, which is ultra lightweight for this speaker, and the sound it produces is like next level. Yeah, you will get all the important ports and buttons here. This speaker doesn't have mic, so you cannot attend a call with this speaker. The phone will automatically switch to its inbuilt mic. Unfortunately, JBL removed aux port in this speaker, so here you will not get any aux port in this speaker, so you need to play music from the Bluetooth mode itself. So this speaker is IP67 waterproof and dust proof, so the dust will not accumulate in the speaker, and yeah, you can throw the speaker in the water for 30 minutes for 1 meter, so which is kind of okay. Sadly this speaker doesn't support Dolby Audio and it only supports SBC codec, so which is kind of basic and good. Guys, believe me, this speaker has bass radiator in it, and for those who don't know, this actually boosts the bass and it will give you a pumping bass, so your bass quality will be enhanced and the sound will be like very good. So this speaker has the new Bluetooth 5.1 version, which means improved connectivity and less latency. So now let's test the sound quality of this speaker. So this is the speaker, and what is important in it? Obviously sound quality. So let's talk about the sound quality of this speaker. The speaker performs incredible guys. So I listened to many Bollywood, Hollywood musics in this speaker and it was performing great guys. So the lows, mids and highs were great. They were actually performing good, and I can able to hear the vocals of the singers, and the instrument separation was good. I was able to hear all the instruments playing. Talking about the bass, the main thing guys, it has very good bass guys, and if you keep this speaker horizontally like this, then you will get a very big boopy bumpy bass guys, like really good. The audio quality will be very good guys. If you keep the speaker horizontally, the bass will boost guys, and its loudness is great guys, so you can easily hear the music within like 1 or 2 rooms. The bass will not lag, guys, and the treble is also very good. You can easily hear all the instrument separation and all. So I played GTA 5 on this speaker, and guess what, guys, the speaker performed very well. The bass is very crisp and clear, guys. Also, I was able to hear all the game sounds while playing games, and there is no much latency, like very little latency. So coming back to the battery and charging part, this speaker has 750 mAh battery, so it gives like up to 5 hours of battery backup according to company. And as I tested, I was getting like 3 to 4 hours at 100% volume. This speaker comes with a Type-C cable, so you can charge it. Sadly, this speaker doesn't support quick charge, so it takes 2.5 hours to fully charge this speaker. So if you turn on car mode in this speaker will turn into car. So it will start moving here and there when you play music in this speaker. So you can gift it to your kids so that they can use this speaker. Sorry guys, just a joke, so don't take it seriously, and this is a speaker, not a toy, so don't give it to your kids because they may eat the speaker. Sorry. So the cost of JBL Go 3 is 2,999, guys. So hope you liked it. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.